HVAC people! Alright folks, for the pull up on Antoine. He just ran a service call and he sent me some pictures of the diagnosis. Let's go take a look at what he found. It's a no cooling call, no cooling call. What's up, my man?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Alright, you?
Alright. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Antoine running a service call. Let's go take a look at what he found. You got the drill? Just go open it up first.
Okay.
How you find it? What you do when you got here?
When I got here, the first thing I did was go upstairs and see if the units was running, if the blowers was running inside.
Oh, the upstairs unit? Yeah. How you determine that? She told you?
Well, she when I asked her first got there, I asked her what was going on with the unit, and she said it's not cooling upstairs.
Okay.
So that's when I went, and then both of the units was inside of a closet upstairs. It's not an attic, but it's a closet.
Right.
So I went up there, and then I checked both units. They was both running. And so then I said, let me come outside and see, because she said it wasn't cooling. So I decided to come outside and find out which one of these units wasn't cooling. I actually stuck my hand over them, and this one was blowing out hot air. That one was blowing out cool air.
Okay.
And that's what I cut the power off. And then,
So when they were blowing out cool air, what you think was happening then?
when those was blowing out, it's not the something not running right, because when you put your hand over, it's supposed to be blowing out the hot air from inside the house.
Yeah, that's a good diagnosis.
So
what you find?
So I came over to the unit, I cut the power off, made sure there wasn't no power.
Okay.
And I checked to make sure that I actually checked the power and made sure I was getting power to the outside unit from the inside, and then it was coming to the disconnect, making sure that it was coming out the disconnect.
Okay.
So I checked the power first.
Okay, good job. Then once you open it up?
Then I opened it up. After I found out I did have power coming, I opened it up. Once I opened it up, I was getting ready to check the capacitor.
Oh wow, and that's what you found?
And that's what I found.
Oh wow.
That the capacitor was all corroded.
Yeah. All right, good job, folks. That's a service technician right here. We're gonna get them repaired, get them back up and running. Good job, man. Yes, sir. I got you right here. Yeah, you already got the power here. I'm gonna go get you some connection for these right here. For the yellow one. Yeah, you're gonna need a new one on here. So we'll clean that up.
Okay.
I get some sniffs, you can clean that up. All right. And that mount gonna be too big for this one, so I'll get you a new mount too. All right. Yes, sir, folks. Yeah, out here running them service calls. Supposed to be 100 degrees today. Hey, we've been ripping and running. Ripping and running. All right. Appreciate some good help. Make it a little easy on me, folks. All right, so get them a scrap. This should be good. All right, what you got? All right. Go ahead and scrap it. 11 right there. Let me show you. Show you how I want those. So on these, look, you gonna do it like that for the scrap. And then you would put your self tapper right back there. You know what I'm saying? Yep, tighten it, and then once you got that screwed in, put that screw there. There you go. You might need a longer one. Use my head. Then you gotta go ahead and make a new hole. Yeah, since you got the self tapper.
Alright.
My bad, I ain't put it in that good. That one burnt up pretty good there. So it's probably getting hot. Alright, now go ahead and pull it down on it while you got a little slack. Yeah. My bad. So you get it good and tight. Yeah. I'll tighten it up. Now I like to fold them kind of this back so I don't want nobody to get cut when they come back. Yeah, either way, you fold it in like this. Or you can cut the excess off. Yeah, too good. Alright, now just clean that up. There you go. Weird thing, huh? Yep. Try to put it on that first. Sometimes you gotta start it, just to cut it, then pull it back on. There you go. You good. That probably melted because it got hot too. Just cut it a little bit more.
Okay.
Go all the way down and cut it.
Oh.
Yeah, to clean it up, yeah. And now when you do it, aim down. You right hand or left hand?
Left hand.
That's why. It might be right, what's
Right
called
hand.
snip. Yeah, right hand snip.
So.
But just kind of pull it down instead of up. Yeah. Like so. These right here. You put that clamp on there and you'll use these for this. Now on that clamp right here, you see the little hump? I always had a hump facing the back of this right here. Cause if you put the hump like this, you put it like this, it'll kind of twist the, what you call it, won't clamp right.
So I have it facing the back.
Yeah. Like I said, you can have this facing anyway. I'm talking about this little hump right here, because you're going to put this crimp on here. It's going to crimp it. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. Just crimp down hard on it. Yeah. Real tight. Yeah. You good. Now try to pull it and make sure it don't come off. Yeah. That's a good clamp. All right. Now you just wire it back up. Talk to her. What you putting on right now?
I'm putting the yellow for the compressor.
You putting it on what?
On the C.
You putting it? It look like to me you putting it on the Herm, man.
The yellow.
What you putting on? Yeah.
No, the yellow one.
Oh.
I thought the purple one go to Herm.
So the purple one is your fan.
Purple
right?
one, my fan. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, most Linuxes, yep, them little purple gonna be the fan. Then what's your compressor?
And then my compressor gonna be the real.
So your compressor, a cheap way to look at it, look at your wiring going through here. You see that yellow right there? That's going to your compressor right there.
Right.
So that yellow gonna go to Herm.
Oh yeah, cause that's what went out. The compressor wasn't working.
Right.
Cause the yellow one burnt up.
Cause the left one burnt up. So you know that was a compressor.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
another
so
cheat
that's
way
worse.
too. But remember I told you, I always a cheat code to remember which one this is. This red wire going to your contactor.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
So that C mean either common or contactor.
Okay.
Just keep it simple. Just act like that C mean your contactor, not
Okay.
compressor.
With contactor.
Your contactor.
Alright.
So that C gonna go on your contactor. And that's your common wire. That's where the rest of the red's at. And let me see, cause I don't really like how that look either. But see if you can squeeze down on that just a little bit. Just barely kind of.
Squeeze
Yeah.
out.
Don't tighten it all the way. That first one right there, really. Yeah. Just yeah. Okay. Now put it on there. Cause these need to be good and tight. If they not good and tight, it'll burn up too. So see if you can put it back in. Okay. What that feel like to you? That's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And then it's going to Herm.
Yeah. They're gonna be on your 3 Herm, yeah. Alright. There you go. Alright. So they look good to me. So what we wanna do now, you just step back and just fire it up and make sure it fired up. And if it do fire up, we're gonna a lot of time, man, if these coils are dirty like this, they can cause a capacitor to go out. And this backside dirty too. You know what? Got so much dirt. But go on here to see if it fire up. But I don't even know if she got it calling for cool though. Okay. And it did fire right up. You say you had cool air earlier, huh? Now you got your warm air now. Yep. Good job, man. Like I say, now you can just shut it down and get the water hose and clean it up, and we'll be good to go. All right, folks, got another one knocked down. Everybody, thanks for watching. What you think, Antoine?
Yeah, thank everybody for watching. I appreciate the opportunity. We run the service call.
Already.
Water hose.
Yeah.